Suprabhat to all of you students. I'm going to teach you especially physics of 11th class. But first of all, you all know as we started our life from birthing, we passed science in each and every phase. So I'm going to describe little bit about science. What does mean by science? Science is generally experiment or observations achieved by us when organized systematically. When organized systematically is called science. Specific definition of science is the knowledge gained by humans. The knowledge gained by humans through observations and experiment. The knowledge gained by humans through observations and experiments when organized systematically is known as science. So you have to learn only these things. The knowledge gained by humans through experiment and observation when organized and systematically is called science. This is the exact definition what I told you about science. According to this, the knowledge gained by humans, or you can say by ourselves through observation, means knowledge gained by humans through observations, means what do we conclude and experiment, what do we proceed, that is, and these things, observations and experiment, in a systematically manner, not in this way that we did in this phase, but a specific phase, that is called the science. Means knowledge gained by humans through observation and experiment when organized systematically is known as science. As you are in 11th class, you have to face three phases of science. First one is physics, second one is chemistry, and third one is biology. As I'm going to proceed to physics, first of all we consider what does mean by physics. Physics is the natural phenomena. Physics is a branch of science in which we deals with nature and natural phenomena. Physics is the branch of science in which we deals with nature and natural phenomena. And specific, it organizes the relation between matter and energy. It especially organizes the relation between matter and energy. The specific definition of physics is, as I told you, physics is a branch of science. Physics is a branch of science which deals with study of nature and natural phenomena. With the study of nature and natural phenomena, but specifically it is known as the relation of matter and energy, means relation between matter and energy. But it is true that it has the different role in different parts of science. It has the relation between chemistry, it has the relation between from biology, it has the relation from math and other sciences. And sometimes physics is called the sister of mathematics. Physics is also called sister of mathematics. After considering this phase, we come to the force. As you studied in 10th class, what does mean by force? Force is a push or pull, which able to make us action. Force is a push or pull which make us able to action. The correct definition according to Newton's second law, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to upright force, and a momentum takes place in the direction of applied force, and momentum takes place in the direction of applied force. A dp upon dt means F is directly proportional to dp upon dt. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and momentum takes place in the direction of applied force. But what I described as what does mean by force? Force is a push or pull. So as I described, the Newton's second law, rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and in a general language we can say force is a push or pull which enables to do action or make action. Now we come to what does mean the fundamental forces. There are four fundamental forces in our nature. First one is gravitational force, gravitational force, gravitational force. As you studied in class 9th, especially class 11th, gravitational force. Second one is nuclear force, nuclear force, and third one is electromagnetic force. Third one is electromagnetic force, and fourth is weak force. Fourth is weak force. Done this. First is gravitational, nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak force. These are fundamental force. Fundamental force. So you have, as I told you about the science, then the role of physics and the relation. First of all science, then in class you will study of branch of science which is physics, chemistry, biology. Physics is a branch of science, deals with study of nature and natural phenomena. It is the relation between matter and energy. And then we consider what does mean by force. Force is a push or pull. And after that the fundamental forces, gravitational force, nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and weak force. It is clear? It should be clear. If you have a confusion, then ask me into the comment box. Next we will proceed what is the order of strength of these fundamental forces. So first of all I would like to say strong nuclear force is greater than electromagnetic force, and electromagnetic force is greater weak nuclear force, and weak nuclear force is gravitational force. This is the order. First is strong nuclear force, then is electromagnetic force, then weak nuclear force, and gravitational force. It is the order of strength. It is the order of strength. Means strong nuclear force is much strength, electromagnetic is much strength, then weak nuclear force, and weak nuclear force is much then strength, gravitational force. Okay, I will proceed in next part.